Maybe April, but it's still feeling wintry out there. At least it was earlier this morning. We had snow coming down, and there was some accumulation. Now the sun's out, and we're in the low 40s. We're above freezing, and any evidence of that snow is pretty much already gone as far as what fell. Wasn't a lot, but it was enough to keep roads wet and keep it kind of slick out there for the morning commute. So you got upper 30s to low 40s, much of the area, until you head south and west, and Bowling Green's already hit 50 degrees. They've got a little more sunshine going out there, but snow stats. We had 0.8 of an inch officially at Bluegrass Airport. That is a daily snowfall record, our old record of 0.2 of an inch set back in 1916. And I measured just over 0.5 inch, 0.6 of an inch here at LEX 18. So yeah, we did get some snow. It mainly accumulated, though, elevated surfaces and on the grass. So if you look at the seasonal stats since April, the beginning of April, we've had 1.4 inches of snow. That makes it our 9th snowiest April. Yeah, it doesn't take much to get into record territory in April when you're talking about snow, just because it doesn't happen all that often. If you go back to March 1st, we've had over 13.5 inches of snow, so we've had now our 6th snowiest March and spring. That number hasn't changed. What's interesting, though, we've had 105% of our annual average snowfall just within the month of March and April. It doesn't even count February or January or December because March was just so active it completely skewed all the data there. So what are we tracking? Well, we've got, of course, the snow that came down this morning. That's gone. And, oh, spring, where art thou? Exactly what a lot of folks are asking. 2 potentially frosty mornings on the way, very cool afternoons on the way, but then there's some milder, warmer hope in sight. Pattern shift and warm up this weekend, but that unfortunately could lead to a stormy weekend. Some shower and storm chances with a potent cold front into your Saturday. MaxTrack Live shows the snow still ongoing up across northeast Ohio. It's rain toward the east coast, and you've got rain and snow, a little hint of it back to the west. And we've got a freeze watch in effect due to that colder air. It's for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and when I say we, I don't mean Lexington. I'm talking our viewing area. Southeastern Kentucky counties, those valley locations, it could get into the 20s. That's early Wednesday morning, not tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning will likely be down in the low to mid 30s, but Wednesday morning, if we hit freezing, our valleys south and east may hit the 20s. So it's very cold, but look at the spike in overnight lows. We could be doing what we're doing for highs, barely, and not even at times, for overnight lows. That's how much we're going to turn it around later this week. Big time warm up on the way, so there's, some spring hope in sight. Watch for isolated showers this afternoon. Don't anticipate much, and it will be dry, so that's a positive. Mostly cloudy skies today, partly cloudy tonight, maybe even mostly sunny tomorrow. So there are some better days ahead. Today's, not all that great. Highs around 50, but at least we're drying out. Some lingering clouds and isolated showers. Down to around freezing overnight, so patchy frost tomorrow morning. And then there's that frost freeze potential Wednesday morning. And then look at how high we climb. Low to even mid-70s. That put a smile on Dia's face. Not quite the 80s yet, Dia, but we'll get there eventually. Into the weekend, though, watch for showers and storms, likely maxing out Saturday. There'll be a severe weather chance back to the west, into the deep south, and through the Mississippi River Valley Friday. Some of those storms will translate east heading into the weekend.
Hey, but